Here's my recipe for unhappiness. Ingredients. Number 1. A quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Number 2. A pinch of self-doubt. Number 3. A handful of past mistakes. Number 4. A cup of missed opportunities. Number 5. A dash of injustice. Number 6. A sprinkle of unkindness. Number 7. A splash of bodily discomfort. And number 8. A dollop of financial worry. Instructions. Number 1. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted. Number 2. Sit down and relax your body. Number 3. Start to think about yourself and only yourself. It doesn't matter what you think about exactly, as long as it's all about you. Focus on your own negative thoughts and experiences. Number 4. If you get distracted, gently bring your thoughts back to thinking about yourself. Number 5. Reflect on your past, especially all the mistakes you've made. Think of all the things you shouldn't have said and done, all the times you looked a fool and the opportunities you missed. Number 6. Really dive deep into your memories to find the times you were treated unfairly or unkindly, and remember how much of a victim you were. Number 7. Especially focus in on all the things your parents did wrong to you, but forget the annoyance you caused them. Number 8. Remember to tell yourself that you're perfect, so you should have had a perfect life. You deserved better. You deserved more. And how ungrateful everyone is for not appreciating you. Number 9. Start singing a sad woe is me song. Number 10. Consider all the injustices you've had to face and how things would have been different if people had behaved better. How your feelings are the most important in the world and it's everyone's job to protect them. Number 11. Replay hurt incidents in your mind and reignite your feelings of anger and hurt all over again. Exaggerate the incidents so that you can feel the emotions more strongly. 12. Even if someone didn't actually do anything wrong, imagine that they would have given half the chance. Number 13. Carefully assess your body, searching for any signs of aging or discomfort. If you can't find any pain, keep searching until you notice an ache or a twinge. Then exaggerate it so that you can get some sympathy from someone later. Number 14. Think about your work and financial situation. Even if things are great, tell yourself it won't last, because it never does, and then prepare for the trauma that will inevitably come when it all goes wrong. 15. Throughout the process, keep the focusing on yourself and your negative thoughts. Number 16. Repeat this exercise daily for 15 to 20 minutes to achieve maximum unhappiness. Special note. This recipe is guaranteed to make you thoroughly miserable if you follow it consistently. It is so good it is not recommended for long-term well-being, as it can greatly affect your neurochemicals and cause long-term mental illness. Follow to get part 2, the recipe for happiness, and visit promotingmentalhealthandwellbeing.com/journals.